Hey! Hey! Buddy! Yo! What's going on? Yo! Buddy, what'd you take? Yo! Hey, it's the police. You good? What'd you take? Buddy, you gotta talk to me, alright? Otherwise I'm gonna end up hitting you with Narcan. You don't want that. Did you drink something? 'Cause if you're drunk, we can work that out. Yeah, you puked right here. Did you take anything? That's what I need to know. You're not gonna be in trouble if you took something. You just gotta tell me. Yo. You wanna come over here and sit on the curb? That way you can do what you need to do? Yo. Why aren't you talking to me? Buddy. What did you take? Hello? You're not talking to me, you're not saying anything. Hey, you're not free to leave. Hey, listen, you're not free to leave. You're fucked up, okay? You're not in trouble, but you're fucked up. Hey, where... He's not driving yet. Hey, you gotta cut this shit out, okay? 23. I'll get to you in 1 second. Listen. I don't know what you got going on right now, but you're not in any condition to drive right now, okay? Hey, buddy, you try to drive away and we're gonna have a fucking issue, okay? So, listen, you're not leaving, okay? Hey, stop this fucking shit, okay? You gotta fucking, hey, stop. Listen, you gotta stop, okay? You gotta fucking chill. You gotta chill. Because you're not in any condition to fucking drive. Hey, you gotta fucking stop, okay? Okay, you're gonna get fucking hurt. Stop. You gotta stop, bro. You gotta stop. Okay? You're not driving anyway. You're not gonna be in trouble, but if you keep acting the way that you are right now, you're gonna be in trouble.
Where's your gun?
Stop. You gotta stop.
Okay.
Okay? Where are the keys to the car?
I saw it.
Where?
I'm trying to resist.
Turn the car off.
Okay. So now let it go with me. I'm trying to fucking let go of the car.
It's the one across from the airport. Who knows? You gotta stop.
Okay.
Turn the fucking car off.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Alright? So,
yeah, you don't know fucking how to, but I'm trying to turn off the fucking car.
okay. No, you're
so
not.
fucking resisting.
Because you just tried to turn the emergency brake off. Why'd you try to do that?
Because I'm trying to turn off the car.
I don't know if I believe you or not.
Yeah, I'm trying to turn off the car.
Alright, so then swing your right foot out of the car.
Okay.
That would be your left foot. Alright, swing your right foot out of the
I'm trying to
car.
turn off the car so I know the fucking
Alright, swing your right foot out of the car. Now you can turn it off. Sound good? See, you're not trying to turn it off. And in a minute, you're gonna make me like fucking hurt you, and that's not gonna be good for you, okay?
Are you fucking military?
What do you care?
Because I'm fucking military.
Oh, good.
I'm trying to fucking turn this car off.
Yeah, okay. There you go. It's off. There you
Hey,
go.
I'm trying to fucking turn this car off.
Okay, so now you can get out of the car. Okay? You're causing a fucking issue. What are you doing? Alright. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Alright, you're gonna get hurt here in a second. Get out of the vehicle. Okay. Get out of the car, okay? Buddy, you cannot drive.
I understand that.
So why are you trying to stay in the fucking car?
So I don't just fucking shoot you.
Do you have a weapon on you?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's on my fucking hip. So I don't just fucking shoot you. I'm trying to turn it off so I don't fucking shoot you. Because I understand you got a fucking family. Let me fucking disarm this shit.
You're
so
not,
shoot.
because I'm not gonna let you touch anything at this point. Okay? So here's your options.
Let me disarm this shit. So
You're not. No. Because at this point, if you reach for anything, I'm gonna fucking hurt you.
yeah, go.
So take
I don't want
this
to
hand.
shoot you. You fucking. I don't want to fucking shoot you. So let me fucking disarm this shit.
Okay.
So it doesn't fucking shoot you.
You're not disarmed.
I understand you.
Shit.
I don't understand you don't want to get hurt.
Okay.
So let me fucking disarm this shit.
Okay. Hey, here's what we got. Look at it.
Let me disarm this shit. So it
I'm-
doesn't fucking shoot you.
He's talking about his arm. Give me a. Fucking kidding me? I got it. Easy on his hips.
Thank you.
You got it?
Yes. Any zero on him?
Not there. 80. Put him over. Sit. There you go.
Hey, you resist more, you get dog bit, homie. You understand?
Thanks for showing off. We got it.
Turn over.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere. Hold on.
Relax.
Hey.
Relax.
Stop! What this shit? Stop!
That seemed kind of like you were trying to kick somebody, which I don't think is a good idea. Listen, man, I got 2 fingers in there. It's as loose as it's gonna get. Hey, you were a Marine, right? What? You were a Marine? All right. This guy's a Marine too. I pulled over on the side of the road because I thought he was in his car, and
You fighting or something?
So I can help you. You know what? There's a fucking seatbelt in my fucking way.
Remove this
yeah, I
for
got
now?
you.
Are you active military right now? Are you active Marine?
Yep.
Yeah, call me a fucking nigga. Which one of you? Call me a fucking nigga. Which one of you? Call me a fucking nigga.
Hey, cálmate. Oye, cálmate. ¿Ves?
Dos americanos.
Yeah, tú tienes que calmarte.
Which one? Call me a fucking nigga.
All right?
Which one of you? And I clearly see that was fucking you.
Let's walk.
They're calling me a put in my fucking face that you think in my fucking country that I fucking deserve fucking be here to call me a fucking nigga. Yeah, don't even look at me in the fucking face. Yeah, you fucking bum. You fucking loser. You don't even deserve to call yourself a fucking authority. You know why? Because you're a fucking butt. The eyes are underneath your own fucking badge. Yeah, look at me. Look at me, you fucking piece of
On June 7, 2025, at approximately 3 o'clock hours, while traveling north on Australian Avenue from the Palm Beach County Criminal Justice Center, jail, a police officer observed a vehicle parked in the travel lane of Australian Avenue. The vehicle's right 2 tires were on the sidewalk, partially obstructing the lane. The driver's door was open. As the officer approached, they noticed a limp arm hanging from the driver's seat.